speaking of the Election Commission, that has now issued a new directive stating that all polling-related footage, including CCTV, webcasting and video recordings, will be erased after a 45-day period. Now, this move has evoked sharp reactions and criticism from the Congress, which has raised concerns over transparency and accountability. With this new directive from the Election Commission states that election footage will be wiped out after 45 days, provided the results are not legally challenged. The EC says that the move aims to prevent misuse of electronic data and to guard against manipulation or misrepresentation of sensitive content. The list of content also to be erased is quite comprehensive, covering CCTV recordings, webcasting feeds, photography and videography. All of this were wiped out as far as the new directive that has now been issued. The Congress party has been particularly by this decision, calling it as an attempt to cover up what the Congress leaders have been describing it as BJP's and Election Commission's attempt to strangle democracy. On the other hand, BJP has been asserting that the Congress has no right to question the Election Commission and insists that the Election Commission is working to restore public faith in the electoral process.
लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था का दिन दहाड़े खून करने का काम नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार बीजेपी और चुनाव आयोग कर रहा है, ये स्पष्ट होता है। और इसलिए ये छुपाने के लिए 45 दिन के अंदर ये सभी जो चुनाव प्रक्रिया की व्यवस्था है वो डिस्ट्रॉय करने के आदेश केंद्रीय चुनाव आयोग ने दिया है। बिल्कुल हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में गए ही है। माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी हमारा विश्वास है कि लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था को खत्म करने वाले व्यवस्था को सुप्रीम कोर्ट दुरुस्त करेंगी, ये हमारा विश्वास है।
The work of Election Commission is not to erode the electoral process and the democratic values, but to restore faith and to strengthen them. That's what Election Commission is doing today. It's not like earlier days when nobody used to know in this country that what is Election Commission, right? One family used to decide who is going to be the Election Commissioner and what not. And subsequently, Election Commissioners were made, Rajya Sabha MP, ministers, everything. So, Congress better do not preach, because you can preach only what you have practiced. You have never practiced this. The thing which goes according to law, it doesn't digest. You cannot digest that fact.
Well, opposition once again raising questions on the Election Commission and the process, the electoral process that it carries out. With that, we head into a short break. Back with more.